計式歐洲錦標賽。扭計式唔再係玩具，而係呢一班參賽者嘅作戰工具。喺傳統嘅3×3扭計式比賽中，參賽者要將扭計式橫移5次，撇除最快同最慢嘅時間，再計出平均時間。世界紀錄保持者嚟自澳洲嘅澤姆丹格斯，以7.07秒嘅平均時間擊敗其他對手，但係因為佢並唔係嚟自歐洲，冠軍落喺成績排第2、7.88秒嘅德國選手魏爾手上。練成摩打手除咗要轉數快，係咁練先至係王道。
Practice. I started since 7 years, I think. And it's a steep learning. You don't get faster really fast, so you have to practice really much to see results. So that's the only advice I can give.
I've been doing it for about 8 years now, and on average over the last 8 years, maybe 1 hour a day on average, but lots of practice.
除咗傳統扭計式之外，錦標賽仲包括7×7扭計式、三角形同埋多角形等18項賽事。其中最具挑戰性嘅項目之一係要明眼參賽。參賽者要記住每一塊方塊嘅位置，再憑住記憶還原扭計式，一啲都唔容易。唔想用手，用腳都一樣可以。靈活多樣化就係扭計式嘅好玩之處。無線電視記者戴浩欣報導。